Welcome back to Larry's RC Room Outdoors. Here we are. We've got the early model Bronco after the programming of the ESC on the scale brake, the reverse throttle, and the scale brake adjustments all reset from the factory. And we're going to give this thing a proper scale brake test. See what it does. See if she'll hold right there. Nope. 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 Still ain't wanting to hold on that incline. It ain't rolling back near as much, but it's holding there, but the front end's kind of in a flat spot. So even at 100%, this truck is a heavy truck. I don't know what it weighs for sure. I do know it's heavier than any other ready to run that I've got. So, and of course, it's got to do with all the metal and all the interior and all that stuff too. So, but all in all, the scale brake adjustment did help. Or it would have rolled all the way back down to the ground, back to the grass while we go. So at least it's enough where you can catch it some. Let's go give this thing another run over here. I have not put any low end weight under this rig, so the side healing features are still about the same. And of course the torque twist will be about the same. So, but there I can stop it, and it stops good for me there. Scale braking, yes. It's holding sideways like that. Now we'll see if she'll pull up out of here without flipping. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Walk right up through there. Later. For a trail truck, it's fine. Ain't no problem with it. This here's an off-camber little crawl right here. Let's see how she does. If she don't topple over, it'll be okay. I think she's about to go. Settle in, baby. Come on. Get torque lean out of it. Somehow or another, we've got to try to take that torque lean out of this foot. Probably have to tighten up the springs. I still haven't played with the shocks at all. Get this hole and get stuck probably. That spin. Got to get that torque switch out of it. Hey, she pulled up out there. That was nice. She's carrying that flat front there. Oh yeah, I don't know what happened there. Didn't want to turn. My battery might be going dead. Playing with kind of a used battery. Little dig just to keep the front end settled in. Twisted up back here, big time. Yes, it is. Oh yeah, early model Bronco. You're so sweet. Oh, what are you doing? Goodness gracious. Having all kinds of problems with torque switch right now. Hold down. Gotta hold down. Goodness. Wood. I not to scratch up the body so much. That pumpkin didn't help me there. It's offset on the wrong road. Hey man, I'm gonna come out. I wish you guys would come out with a pumpkin that could move from side to side. Stay out of your way. If you watched my unboxing video, you know right here is where I quit running this truck. Because it just would not do what I was wanting it to do. That's way too much torque twist to do it. I'll hit the dig and see what happens. Just to get that front end spun around, get some of that torque twist out of it. There we go, settle in. Get mine now. Tail brake there. I got all that on camera. Hey y'all, thanks again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of your support. Appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Man, that's just awesome. It blows me away. When I started this venture in YouTube, I wasn't even expecting to get 100 subscribers, and here I am well over 800 now, and it's all because of you guys. I really appreciate it. We got this early model Bronco, and it's a really fun, challenging truck, and it's got its flaws, but that's what gives it its challenges. A little bit of torque twist. Of course, I had to get that programming card to get it done with for the scale brake, and yeah, it needed it. It really needed it. It just would not stop at all whenever you was on a hill. Not at all. It just kept rolling. 70% factory setting. That's not very good. So, you know, but all in all, it's a pretty truck. I really like it. Definitely have to get a program card if you get one, and program that ESC at 40 amp. Just really isn't all that. It really needs to be at least a 60 amp and a truck that heavy. And the steering servo acted kind of weak. It could be just my battery going dead. I started out with partially used battery that needed to be discharged, so I figured I'd put it in here and run it. So it's good though. Hey, do something good for somebody. Check out some of my subscribers' channels if you would. Go give them a subscribe. it's just awesome to have this many friends in the hobby. People that you've never really met in person, but still you can call them a friend or a brother. It's just cool. This hobby is one of the best of the best, and I really enjoy it. And I thank you for your support again. I'm going to quit rambling. Hey, this Bronco's telling me, hey, I got to take you back up to the house and put you on the charge. Having fun, laughing, playing, and RCing outdoors. Larry's RC room at the RMX RC Play Park. There it is.